let's say the pig is just right on over here and it has 5 coins. You click on the pause, you click on this, hooray, item bought. You now have 5 ammo added. See, we have now 0 coins, 5 bullets added. You try to click on it again, it says, sorry, you already bought this. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. And right now, let's start off by coding our player. Now, what you will need before we start coding, what you'll need is you'll need to know how to make the player bullets. So you'll have to check that video with the link down in the description below. It's the bullet video. And then you'll also need to learn exactly how to make coins. So if you need how to make coins, I'll probably make a new video about that sometime later. And you'll also need to know how to program a pause screen. So make sure that you have that in mind. Now, without further ado, let's go into our player, which is the pig. Go to the behaviors and go to the bullet. Now, I already have this, so I'm just going to add 2 behaviors. Number 1, you're going to need mailbox. Number 2, you're going to need number. Okay, so this mailbox is, hold on, let me check it out. Ammo bot. So, ammo bot. Click on OK, get. This one will be 5. Now, whenever you buy ammo, so right now we're going to be creating buyable ammo, right? So I'm going to have 5 ammo added. You can do 3, but for the purpose of this video, or just like that, I decided to do 5. So 5 ammo is going to be added. Make sure that you have in mind. Do the plus, you're done over here. Now go to the coin bundle. This is how simple it looks, and you'll need to add some logic. Now, what you'll need a global, 2 globals actually, so one over here, one at the end. You'll need a filter, which is over here. You'll need a number, which is over here. You'll need a mailbox, which goes right over here. And you'll need a switch, which is in logic and math. Okay, so the switch will be subtract coins, which is click OK, you're done. Now, this will be greater than or equal to 5 because we want 5 added, whatever. So just repeat after me. You can adjust this later to however you want. So coins, you will need to add either a new name. So if you don't have the coins label, you'll just need to add new name and then type it in coins and you'll be done. But I have this, so I just clicked on coins. Click in, pass. This will be on, and then subtract coins in. This switch is off, then this will be get and -5. So this is -5 coins, it subtracts 5 coins, and then this will go to plus. Now this will go to value, and this will go right into set. And of course, you'll need to pick this coins as well. You're done over here. So let's head on to our next part, which is going to be in the user interface. So click on user interface, and you've probably created this. So you have to create this before you start doing this. Now I have a label here called ammo. Now, what you'll simply need to do is, in the previous video, I show you how to make this, this button and 2 more buttons. Now, all you'll need to do is pretty much convert one of those buttons into an ammo clickable thing, and you're done. So let's go. It's not clicking right now. So let's go to ammo for pause. This is this label. This is how it pretty much looks. Yeah, like this. And then click on OK, and in behaviors. Now, in the behaviors, this is what I have pretty much over here. I also connected this, which is labeled buy ammo for 5 coins, and it connects like so. But you can check that out later because I'll have this game link down in the description below. Now I have an alert. Sorry, you already bought this, exit now. So I want this ammo. When the person buys this ammo, I don't want him to buy it again. So I have this alert over here, and then I have an alert. Hooray, item bought, you have now 5 ammo added. So just create those 2, and we'll start programming these really quickly. You'll need mouse click. Where's the mouse click? Okay, I don't think I clicked on it. Okay, you'll need mouse click. You'll need a switch, so you'll actually need 2 switches, 1 and 2. You'll need 3 messages. So 1, 2, 3. So one goes over here, one over here, like so, pretty much. Let's switch this around. Yeah, like that. And then you'll need a bundle. So go to the behaviors bundles, click on new bundle, and then add a new name. I'll just do this can I buy? Okay. Now you'll need, yep, this is pretty much all you need. Now go into this bundle and you'll need a new input and new output. This will be test and this output will be end. Okay, so that it makes sense. Okay, now since we have all these, we can start connecting them. So this switch will be on, down, in, down, in. Okay, now this is test over here. Yep, this is test over here, send. Now this message will be clicked. Okay, click on clicked and send to myself. Okay, that's that simple. Then you'll need to connect this to all three of these. Okay, and this will be ammo bot. So ammo bot, and this will be sent to the pig or your player. So my pig is over here, and just click OK. And then this message will be sent to myself, and it will also be ammo bot. So make sure you know that. This alert will be right over here and show over here. Now, when you click this, this will be on, and then end, this will be off. Hopefully you've got all of that. Just rewind the video, rewatch the video if you need to. Now that we're done. So this alert is sorry you already bought this, exit now. This alert is hooray item bought. Just so you know. Now go to the can I buy and you'll need to input some logic in here. Now this is the last part that you'll need to make this whole thing entirely workable. So you'll need to test, you'll need two mailboxes, 1 and 2. One of them will say clicked. Oops, I don't know what that was. Clicked. There you go. This will be ammo bot. Okay. The ammo bot will go on top. The clicked will go on the bottom. Then you'll need a filter which goes over here in the middle. You'll need a global which goes over here. This will be coin's name. Now that you're done with this, you'll need to do greater than or equal to 5. And do this in. Whew. And then we'll need 3 switches. 1, 2, and 3. Now, if the clicked is if you've already clicked this. So as soon as you've clicked the ammo thing, it will. Anyway, just follow along. Why am I explaining this? It's pretty hard to explain. Just to try to figure it out yourself. Sorry for that, but yeah. So click to get. So that's as soon as you click the ammo button, this will all activate. Just to make that, make known. Okay, pass on. This will be on. Ammo bots will be off, and this will be off. Okay, and then you'll need this in. So the input in and in. Now, what do we have? Pass will be off, and then fail will be on. We'll have to create an alert. Go to the GUI, click on alert, and the message of this will say you don't have enough, just enough coins. You do not have enough coins, 3 dots, and then let's do like go get a life, and then exit now, and you're done. So this switch will show, this switch will out, and then you'll need to send a message. So go to components, and there's a message over here. Let me move this over and do subtract coins. So as soon as all of this is done, it will go and subtract coins. Do this to the pig or your player, in your case, wherever it is, and you're done. Yep, you're done. That was easy. Okay, so we're done. Now, Let's say the pig is just right on over here and it has 5 coins. You click on the pause, you click on this, hooray, item bought. You now have 5 ammo added. See, we have now 0 coins, 5 bullets added. You try to click on it again, it says, sorry, you already bought this. Go get a life. Okay, now let's go and see, like, what if you got 6 more coins? No, you still cannot buy it because you already bought this. So, now let's say that you have no coins. You go to the pause, you click ammo, and it says you don't have enough coins, get a life exit now. Boom. Congratulations, you have done this whole thing. Now, we're done with this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Sorry if I was sharp to any of you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Check out the links below for this game, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll try to make maybe like a shop, a coin shop for you guys, if you're interested in this at all. Please comment below if you are, though, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you for watching again, and bye.